Welcome to Inception, Indian Space Research Organization, 1969. National Bank of Agricultural and Rural Development, 1982. Geological Survey of India, 1851. Central Pollution Control Board, 1974. Security and Exchange Board of India, 1988. Indian Council of Agricultural Research, 1929. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, 1999. National Institution of Ayurveda, 1976. National Council of Educational Research and Training, 1961. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, 1942. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.